All right, guys, we're about to ride Trail 91 here, down this time. I did it up the first time I was here, and it was wet and slick, and I struggled on it really bad. We're gonna go down, and it's dry today, so hopefully it won't be too awful. Hydration hose put up here. Alright, Trail 91. This dumps down into a little ravine. Goes straight down to the rock. I got on this rock last time and slid over the hillside and made all this mess and had to get help to get pushed up out of there. Now we're in that little creek ravine. Go here. Alright, for the most part, I find coming down that extremely easy. I mean, coming down that is easier than coming down 63. So maybe going up it, I have more trouble. Especially on a wet day, I had tons of trouble, but down it, nah, shouldn't be a problem.